If your P-trap is leaking because of those tiny hairline cracks in the plastic trap arms, you gotta act fast before water damage turns your bathroom into a mess. So here's the deal. First, shut off the water supply under your sink to avoid any more leaks while you work. Grab a bucket to catch any drips when you disconnect the P-trap. Use a wrench or just your hands if it's loose enough to unscrew the nuts, holding the trap in place. Carefully remove the old plastic P-trap and check if the cracks are visible. Those little cracks don't always show until you look closely. When you buy a new P-trap, make sure it's the right size and type for your sink setup. Usually 1¼ inches in diameter works for most bathroom sinks. Wrap plumber's tape around the threads for a better seal, and use new washers or gaskets to prevent future leaks. Tighten everything snug, but don't over-tighten, or you might crack the new plastic parts too. Lastly, run water through your sink and double-check for any leaks. If it's dry, you're golden. One of the biggest goof-ups people make with fixing P-trap leaks is ignoring those hairline cracks that start small but cause big leaks if left alone. Always inspect carefully and replace instead of patching. Another common mistake is not using plumber's tape or fresh washers, which leads to loose fittings and constant drips. Just don't skip these simple steps. The third issue is over-tightening the plastic trap arms, which can crack the new piece and leave you right back where you started. Just get it tight enough to stop leaks and call it good. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful because it connects homeowners with reliable local contractors who actually know their stuff, so you don't have to stress about finding someone legit. Plus, it helps contractors find steady work by matching them with folks who need projects done right, making things easier on both sides.